Should I put my home in trust? Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B. Should you put your home in trust? That's a great question. And here in Massachusetts, when somebody asks us that, we usually ask follow-up questions such as, why? Why are you asking us if you should put your home in trust? And a lot of times the answers are varied, but most often it's for a partial estate plan. Should I put my home in trust? Well, that's the essence of a good, solid estate plan. Put all of your assets into a trust. But what is a trust? A trust is a vehicle that you can control while you're alive and specifically dictate how those items are going to be dispersed after you're no longer alive. Now, we did a video, Tom, the difference between a revocable trust and an irrevocable trust. And the irrevocable trust, you're actually giving away your property and you don't have as much control. But we're talking about a revocable trust where you have the control. So why would you put it into trust? As I mentioned before, it's an estate planning tool. And with an estate planning tool, you could do a number of things. You can minimize estate taxes by utilizing a trust because you're specifying exactly how it goes instead of directly to somebody. And most often, the reason people ask this question is because they want to avoid probate court. And that's very understandable. When somebody dies, it's devastating enough as it is. For the surviving spouse or the surviving children, having to go into court with an arduous process, costly often, slow, and also it invites litigation. By placing your home in trust, you're able to dictate where that home is going to go without the assistance of the court. By putting the home in trust, you're being proactive, you're planning ahead, and you're avoiding undue cost, expenses, and aggravation for those that you leave behind. Oftentimes, people think that this is only for rich folks. That is not the case. The cost and aggravation associated with not planning far exceeds the cost of planning ahead. Folks, if you're interested in our estate planning team, I encourage you to go to our website, stiles-estates, to see more information, more stories, and more frequently asked questions. But I also encourage you to give us a call at 781-319-1900, and one of our members of our estates team would happily set up a no commitment, no fee consultation to see if we're a right fit and to see if we can help you with your plan. Because as they say, a failure to plan is a plan to fail. Folks, I hope you appreciate this content. I hope it answers your questions. Feel free to share this with everyone and anyone, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel right here at Stiles Law. Thank you and be well.